Hey guys, it's me again, Kellogg's Graphics. Alright, so tailgate. Tailgate's a little tricky one. The tailgate has, number one, it's plastic. It's also got some texture to it, so the vinyl is never going to 100% properly seal, especially if you just stick it on there. So what I'm doing, I'm starting off with some, in this case, 91% isopropyl rubbing alcohol, which I also use when I do paint jobs mixed with distilled water to clean the surfaces 100% of all grease, contaminants, oils, waxes. Now, on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and dry this out real quick with a heat gun on low. Now, these you can wet set as well. It's not as paramount because the texture doesn't allow it to, get stuck permanently right away. But just to be safe, we're going to spray a little bit of, just dust it, not anything major. And we're going to take a graphic such as this right here. This is how I'm going to start sending it out as well, because the tape backing doesn't really, it pretty much inhibits you from properly being able to get the decal on there quickly. So once again, I'm going to take this, I'm going to lay the bottom down into the indentation and over. Then I'm going to drop it down in there, let it sit, check it, it's good. I'm going to go ahead and take my finger, run it in there, get the little bit of water that I just put in there out. I'm going to take my little squeegee. You can use your fingertips though, or a credit card if you do it really lightly. Like I told you before in the last videos, it can scratch glossy surfaces really easily. Alright, so get that in there, rub that water out. Now on this back tailgate, this in a hot sunny day, I haven't tried it yet, it's been cool, but on a hot sunny day it may make a little difference because the tailgate will be warm, but otherwise, put the heat gun on low, hair dryer on high, and just dust it. Don't get too close to it. Don't stay around and hover too long in any spots because you'll make it possibly melt. And as you can see, hopefully the camera's showing, it's kind of sinking down into those indentations, into that texture and bonding. This is the only way you're going to get it to really truly bond where water and stuff won't affect it. I still don't think that it'd be completely safe from a high pressure power washer like car washers have, or some people use at home. I haven't tested it yet. I guess I can do that this summer when I start. I don't go to car washes anyways, but occasionally I do go through a quick wash, touch-free. Those touch-free quick washes have some pretty high-powered spray nozzles that blast back and forth. So I guess that would be a good test to see if they fly off. But either way, if you really want this to stay in there, you need to heat it in. Heat it in good. Squish out that water first and bake that into that plastic so it becomes kind of part of the tailgate. Otherwise, it is not going to stick very well if you just lay it in there and wet set it and let it dry. So, like I was saying, we'll do one here again. We'll put the eye on there. I just rubbed it with some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to kind of dry out the rubbing alcohol extra fast instead of waiting for it. If it was a hot day, I wouldn't have to worry about it. Get that baked out. And also prepare that surface. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this eye here, just like the T, and we're going to. I'm dry setting these. I wouldn't recommend this, I guess. I'm not dry setting. Sorry, I'm just dusting it. I'm not doing like a big saturated like you would with the chrome, because the chrome is extremely sticky. Once you stick it down, it's done. If you don't have a wet set. There we go. Got that one. Go ahead and dust it off, dab it without hitting the vinyl, and then just kind of rub it in. Take my fingers, rub it in. I'm going to take the squeegee in my case and rub it out some more just to make sure that water's out. And then I'm going to bake the decal in. Rubbing it, dabbing it. Best thing to do is just tap with your fingertips, or take a towel and kind of like dab. Because you don't want to rub around when you're heating up vinyl. You don't want to move it because you can stretch it, tear it, wrinkle it. So if you just dab, that kind of smacks that down in there. If you use a microfiber cloth, of course, it'll give it more bite. Then you can polish a little bit. Once you get it good and stuck, and you start seeing texture through your vinyl, then you can start kind of varnishing it in. It's up to you how much pressure you want to use, how risky you want to be with it, but this will at least heat it into the plastic, like I was saying. So I hope that helped. And like my video, subscribe to my channel, please, and leave any comments below. Try to be nice. If you can't, you know, please message me privately, as always. And go to my Facebook.com/Kellogg's Graphics with IX. Kellogg's Graphics, not an ICS, but an IX. And like that page as well, and you'll see 90% of my, probably about 95% of my updates are on that page anyways. So thanks for watching.